Good morning, everybody. This is Kathy from Catsell Create, and I'm coming today with a VR to MsDolls. She is having a challenge giveaway, and this is what I'm gonna go ahead and send her. So she wants 4 cards with envelopes. So I went ahead and did this. I'm gonna put a bag topper with a little bag in case she wants to use it for the card or for anything else. And I am also inserting a tag along with that. So this is one of them. This is my second one. Sorry for any glare if you guys have get any glare. This is my third one. There you go. And I didn't put much on these cards because or on the tags because she can always decorate them herself the way she would like. So I give her that option. And then I have this one. I love this one. I think this one's my favorite. So there you go. And here is the bag topper. And I just coordinated the colors. I didn't put anything else. And this is the bag topper for this one. Okay, anyways, everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And again, it is for MsDolls challenge giveaway, and I will go ahead and link her channel down on the description below. You guys have an awesome day, and we will see you guys on our next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you on board. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your continuous support. We'll see you again. Bye.